In this video, I'll be walking you through the exact trade plan that I personally will be using for today's London and New York session and the overall full day basically. So I'll be taking you through Forex Factory and telling you the fundamental analysis and what to expect for your news releases. And then I'll be taking you through the charts for the technical analysis and what are the zones that I will be using in order to buy or sell today. And I will make it very easy. If you guys have any doubts about any single chart, you guys can just drop a comment, tag the time and drop a comment, and I'll make sure to read every single one of them. With that being said, all of this is my personal trade idea and not financial advice. And yeah, let's get on with the video. All right, today is the Thursday market, April 2nd. You can already see the market reacted off of Trump's speech today, and we have Chef news, and I don't particularly trade Chef. You will see the trading watch list right after this. And then you have unemployment claims at 6 p.m. IST, right? So for unemployment claims, I'm expecting gold buy, right? That means USD is going to be weaker. This is what I'm expecting for your unemployment claims. But again, this is a very non-relevant news compared to the whole US-Iran thing right now. So I don't expect the best and the huge movement. But for the news scandal, I expect it to go for a buy. But now we'll move on to the technical analysis, right? So this is TradingView. So this is my trading watch list. So this is the pairs that I personally trade on a day-to-day basis, and in this video I will be walking you through every single chart in this watch list. All right, we will of course start with gold. All right, so gold didn't respect our sell zone. Our sell zone was around this region, and gold clearly did not respect the sell zone. So our sell idea is gone, and now we're focusing on some buys because we have shifted character, right? We have shifted, external liquidity has been shifted towards the buy side. So today I will be focusing on some buys, and that's why I have a Fibonacci drawn. And around this region, which is not only previous week's high around this region. So we have a good price action level of previous week's high. In that case, we can expect a good retest for the buy side. And if that idea fails, then we have a proper trade, which is right here. We have with beautiful inducement right here, and we have a 1 hour order block for your sell side. All right, that is gold. Now moving on to NZD-USD. NZD-USD, we had a plan yesterday right here, and you can see that this 4 hour order block, it hasn't come all the way back into the swings equilibrium, right? Which is right here. Let me zoom out a little bit so you get to see exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. So for this entire swing, price didn't exactly retrace back up to equilibrium. You will see why, because AUDUSD didn't come up until equilibrium. All right, because AUDUSD came till equilibrium and then went all the way down. So today I'm taking the same continuation trade. I'm taking this 1 hour order block, which is a continuation trade, but keep in mind that until previous month's low is intact, I will continue to focus on this order block. Once price takes out this previous month's low, then this order block is invalidated. All right, going into AUDUSD. AUDUSD, we can see that price has so this was the order block I gave in my community yesterday. You can see price clearly tap, and then we can see the good move down. But I missed this trade because I'll show you. So this is the 15 minutes, right? So I was looking for a 15-minute changer character. You can already see I've already drawn this yesterday, and this was the final 15-minute changer character. And price in the night around 12 a.m. basically gave me the changer character, and today price gave me the entry. So this is something I missed. I was awake around this time, but I wasn't really focused on the charts because I had one SL yesterday, so I just didn't kind of bother or look at the charts as much. But this was an easy trade entry. You can see I've drawn out the Fibonacci till here, right? So this is the swing. and I would have set an entry in the 50% and put my SL right here, right, and gone for a 1:3, which will be somewhere around this region. So you can see this is a missed trade from my side. So because of that, I will be focusing on NZD/USD and not AUDUSD today. All right. Moving on to GBPUSD. GBPUSD also, this is the same order block I had given in my community yesterday. And price made the similar move to AUDUSD we just saw, right? But you can see that this was a little bit earlier, around like 10:30, 10:40. We got our change of character, which was right here. Price gave us a change of character, and again today during Trump's speech we got the entry tagged and then straight boom down, right? So again, this is my trading strategy, and I have completely missed this trade because it was very late at night and I didn't really want to focus on the trade. But this is the continuation trade that I'm trying to catch, right? So we have our 1 hour order block. If not that, then there is another region right here. We have an inverse order block right here. Again, price has to still come into the zone before we start going down, right? That is my plan for GBPUSD. Coming on to your EURUSD. EURUSD, I am focusing on buys, and GBPUSD I'm focusing on sells, right? So EURUSD, we're on a 1 hour order block right here. Price is slowing down. You can see price is slowing down. We'll have to wait for London session to open to see the reaction. But that is it for EURUSD. This is my 1 hour order block. Price has just taken out previous day's low, and we have pretty good inducement right below the previous day's low around that region. So yeah, coming into USDJPY. USDJPY has ignored my 4 hour order block and continuing to go by, which is resting right below my previous week's low, which is right here, right? It has been has come very close yesterday. I really thought price would come into the zone, but it didn't. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see for any further movements. I don't want to enter abruptly around this region, only for price to take me out, take out previous week's low, and then go back up, right? So we'll have to wait. One thing to notice is price came into the optimal trade entry point, perfect retracement up, right? So that is something to note like crazy. That is the perfect trade. And EURUSD, we are on an insane bull run. So we'll have to wait for the retracement anywhere below this, anywhere around this region. Only then we are gonna be targeting some buys. Coming into USD CAD, this is a very similar thing. Price, we got some decent retracement, but I am targeting a retracement today. The idea is that price has just taken out previous day's low, right? And you can already see price instantly went up after taking previous day's low. This plan will be valid if previous day's high is intact. If previous day's high is intact and price comes back into this same zone, which is also we have previous week's high, this is a price action level, right? So if price comes back, this could be a good retest for price to continue higher. All right, so that is my plan for USD CAD. Coming on to XAUUSD, you can see the zone has been perfectly kept, right? Perfectly done, but this is not an entry I can personally take because the changer character comes early in today's morning. You can see around 6 a.m. and we had no retracement back up here. Again, all this entire candle is your Trump speech candle. Every single chart, every single one of them is around that 6:30 a.m. You can already see that Trump has really moved the markets, right? And continuing to move. USD is getting stronger. Price is going all the way back down. So silver is a huge skip for today. Gold is not respecting anything. Skip. Probably I'll focus on this one. This is a very high quality zone, so I'll probably focus on this zone right here. But apart from that, I think it's a pretty clear trading day. Yesterday we had a lot of trades that we missed out on, particularly at night. It's not like I really missed it, was it particularly my mistake, but a mistrade is a mistrade, so we'll have to focus on the next opportunities, and that is what I will be doing and focusing on. Tomorrow is Good Friday. Tomorrow is huge bank holidays, but we have NFP tomorrow, so let's see. I don't think I personally will be trading tomorrow. It's Good Friday. I'm gonna go back to my hometown, gonna enjoy with my grandparents and family and friends, and yeah, that's about it. If you guys made it this far in the video, do give me a like, do subscribe to the channel, and also comment whatever you feel like on this analysis and what I could improve upon, right? And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.